Hey everyone! Today I'm going to blow your mind with a question that challenges everything we know about the universe. Is everything we know about gravity wrong? For centuries, gravity's been our trusty guide, keeping our feet on the ground and planets in their orbits. It's the invisible force that governs the motion of celestial bodies and dictates the structure of the universe. Isaac Newton first described gravity as a force pulling objects together. His groundbreaking work in the 17th century laid the foundation for classical mechanics and our understanding of the physical world. Fast forward to the 20th century, and Albert Einstein flipped the script with his general theory of relativity, saying gravity is actually the warping of space-time caused by mass. This revolutionary idea transformed our comprehension of the cosmos and introduced concepts like black holes and the expanding universe. Einstein's theory has been super successful in explaining many cosmic phenomena, but here's the kicker. It's got some major gaps. For instance, it struggles to reconcile with the principles of quantum mechanics, the theory that governs the subatomic world. Enter dark matter and dark energy. These enigmatic components are thought to make up the vast majority of the universe's mass-energy content. These mysterious substances supposedly make up 95% of the universe, but we've never directly detected them. Despite extensive research and advanced technology, they remain elusive, challenging our understanding of the cosmos. They're like ghostly puzzle pieces that make our current gravity models work. Without them, our equations fall apart, and the universe as we know it doesn't make sense. Could it be that we've misunderstood gravity itself? Are we missing a fundamental aspect of this force that could unlock new realms of physics? Now let's get into some alternative theories. Modified Newtonian dynamics, or MOND, suggests that gravity behaves differently on a cosmic scale, potentially nixing the need for dark matter altogether. This theory proposes adjustments to Newton's laws to account for the observed behaviors of galaxies. And then there are theories that propose gravity isn't a fundamental force at all, but an emergent one. Something that arises from deeper quantum processes. These ideas suggest that gravity could be a byproduct of more fundamental interactions at the quantum level. So, what's the biggest lie about gravity? Is it the notion that we fully understand it? It's not that scientists have been deliberately misleading us. The real issue is the assumption that our current understanding is complete. This assumption can hinder scientific progress and prevent us from exploring new possibilities. History has shown us time and again that scientific revolutions happen when we question the status quo. From the heliocentric model of the solar system to the theory of evolution, breakthroughs occur when we dare to challenge established ideas. Are we on the brink of another breakthrough that will change our view of the universe forever? Could a new understanding of gravity be the key to unlocking the next era of scientific discovery? Gravity remains one of science's greatest mysteries. Its true nature continues to elude us, inviting endless curiosity and investigation. The more we dig, the more questions we uncover. Each discovery leads to new puzzles, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. What do you think? Are we missing a key piece of the puzzle? Could there be a revolutionary idea just waiting to be discovered? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get this conversation started. Your insights could spark the next big idea in our quest to understand gravity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending science content. See you next time.